Shalom, y'all. Welcome back to Shalom Meadows. Hopefully the audio is good for you guys. We finally got us a microphone. But thank you for coming back to watching the series of us renovating our whole household. Remember, it is a building that we are turning into a house. So as you've seen previous videos, and if you haven't, please consider to do so. Go back and watch the videos and like, share, and subscribe because it will help our channel out very much. But I want to give a little introduction of the laundry room. We are going to put drywall, mud, and tape. And we're going to put new flooring. That is going to be the beginning of an amazing living room, kitchen, drywall, everything. And we're going to move all this stuff first, as you can see. We're going to move all this first. It's in our way. Thank you for coming back. Guys and gals, you say I'm dealing with a mess here. So what we're going to do about that? We're going to fix it. Do I know what I'm doing? Heck no. But it's the same with everything else. Put some drywall up, paint, light fixture, flooring, and we'll fix this up here too. It's I know it's, oh my gosh, but we'll get it one way or another. And I do apologize for all the us, because if you just see what I'm thinking, you can't see it. If you just knew what I was thinking, you'll be too. But one way or another, with the help of the Father in heaven, we're going to get this done. Hopefully, it'll be a completed video for you guys. And, yeah, enjoy. We're going to fix that too.
Mm-hmm. Putty. Please don't.
Excuse me. I don't know where my ladder is.
Shorter than it was. That matters. I'm short.
At least I got more.
Yeah, that's true.
No, whenever we finally move in here, we're gonna find some things we lost. That's for sure. The right fit is for these is over there. What do you screw it in for? So I don't move. Other way.
Yeah.
Other way. Yeah. I don't know if it's the right fit. I'm about to find out.
Yeah. And I know you guys are thinking, like, why don't you guys just take it all down and start over? Well, we're on a budget and kind of a timeline. So, plus, sometimes you can just make things better instead of new. So that's the plan we're going with, and that's the plan we've been going with. We bought a used house to renovate instead of starting from scratch.
Use what you got. Be frugal.
Although there are some things that really need to be destroyed and rebuilt, I agree. But in this situation, we felt that we could tackle it ourselves.
Sometimes when you think you need new stuff, you don't. Resalvage, and you can make it like it's new.
Yep. So if you're wondering why we're not putting it directly in the middle, well, because we have to make sure it will be on a stud. So it's not going to be exactly 100% on in the middle, I should say. But it's going to be sturdy. And that's what matters.
Nope.
I move over a little bit. Always just get the front first. But it's okay. One thing to worry about is this one not being strong enough.
5 foot.
What?
5 foot.
And what's the other side? Oh, you don't know yet. Just asking.
Oh my.
4 feet.
Yes.
What? And what? 19. You need another one of these.
Yeah, that's stuff. The thanks are. I know what that one is, but I don't know what these are.
I can look real quick.
Oh.
Can you believe? but it is very hard to paint sometimes. Paint just absorbs it, and we ended up having to put 3 solid coats on it rather than 2 coats. Oops.
Apologize, we didn't get y'all another done video again. We ran into some hiccups that we do got to figure out, but we'll figure them out. But I can show you what we got done already. As you can see, we painted the inside, put some drywall on the inside, put the drywall on the outside. We mudded and we painted, and don't sound like a lot, but it was a lot of work. So again, we do apologize, but we do hope that you come back for part 2. Shalom, y'all.